As adults, I don't think we know courage till you watch children do that. My name is Dr. Nick Blanchette. I'm the Interim Medical Director of Children's Health at Trillium Health Partners. So it truly wasn't my plan to be a doctor. I grew up in a household with a dad who was a doc. I also grew up with a pretty significant learning disability, so I was told by many people along the way, don't even try. What led me to say try medicine was I'd gone to camp as a counselor at a camp called Camp Uchigais. It's a camp for children who have cancer. You watch them do pretty phenomenally courageous stuff. Probably the two kids that I remember, and I'll remember them as long as I live, were we had a guy in our cabin group. This boy had lost, he'd had a above knee amputation, and he was convinced he was going to learn to water ski. And 2 weeks later, he was up behind the boat, single leg, skiing like a champ. And we had another little guy came up to camp on active chemotherapy, and there was a rock wall that the kids would climb. And you know, the Whelm boys, they were up and down in 5 minutes. He'd go up, take a couple holds, sit back in his rope, take a break. He'd get back at it. 2 hours later, he's at the top of the wall, and you watch a group of 12-year-old boys go absolutely ape. For him, it was pretty special, and it was those group of kids I looked at and said, you know what, why not give medicine a go? And I haven't looked back since. So. Find something you love to do. I think when you find that, and if you can do that, you're lucky.